Yeah, so we want to get all that pain going on deep in here in the arch. You know, commonly is called plantar fasciitis. So we break that down. Plant, meaning plantar flexion, is the action of the foot gas pedaling down. And there's a couple of musculatures that are real important that attach right here where bone spurs happen. It's at the bottom of this bone called the calcaneal bone, right? And the digitorum minimi goes to these toes, and then cragitis plantae, it goes from the same origin and inserts to here as well. So what we're doing is we're having the band pull back on the balls of the feet, and then I'm locking the toes into extension. So she'll start trying to push the toes into my hand. That's our pales contraction. And her intent when she's doing it is to try to feel all of this engage. As she's getting up to her greatest effort of pales contraction, we'll then go into rails contraction. So she'll pull the toes away from my hands, going into extension of the toes for her rails contraction. The band is keeping constant traction on the foot as a whole to keep it in dorsiflexion, so we can have that constant stretch happening. And then we'll go back and forth with the toes, back into pales, ramping up, and then back into rails, ramping into extension, to start training that tissue to start lengthening better, taking pressure of that area, and so that we can start solving that plantar fasciitis. Simple as that. And that could be a daily occurrence. Just stay within your capacities and boom, try it out. Let me know.